In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement cookie acceptance in GoHighLevel. Having a cookie consent banner on your website is important for privacy compliance and for being transparent with your visitors about how their data is used. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the cookie settings inside GoHighLevel and how to turn them on for a specific page. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and go to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area you see after signing in, and it gives you quick access to all the key tools in your account. From here, we're going to move straight into the website section where the cookie settings live. Next, click on Sites. This will open up the area that contains your funnels and websites. Once you're in the Sites section, click on Websites. This will filter the view so that you're only looking at your websites, not funnels or other assets. Now, choose the specific website you want to work on. In this example, we'll select a test site, but in your account, you'll click on whichever site you want to enable cookies for. Once you've opened that website, look for the page you want to update. You might have multiple pages under the same site, such as your home page, landing pages, or legal pages. Find the page you want to enable the cookie banner on and click on Edit for that page. This will open the page builder, where you normally design and edit your content. Inside the page builder, look at the top bar for the cookie consent icon. It usually appears alongside other page settings and tools. Click on that icon to open the cookie consent settings panel. In the panel that appears, you'll see an option to enable the cookie consent banner. Turn this toggle on. Once it's enabled, GoHighLevel will handle showing a cookie banner to your visitors when they land on that page. Take a moment to review any information or guidelines shown there, as they explain how the feature works and what it covers. You'll also see a checkbox stating that you've read and understood the information above. Click on that checkbox to confirm, then click on Agree to accept the terms and apply the settings. Finally, don't forget to click Save in the Page Builder. Saving ensures that your cookie consent banner is actually activated on the live version of the page. That's it. You've successfully implemented cookie